Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Mama. What's up? If you want to know how I prepare this yummy delicious party jollof rice with shrimps, stay tuned to the end of this video. And if you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly do me a favor, click that red sign and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload video you will be the first to be notified. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my video. I appreciate you guys a lot. May God bless you all. So let's get started.
Yo.
Pepper, garlic, ginger, everything I just showed. I'm going to add it in the blender. At the same time, I will add up my tomato inside and blend it together. Tomatoes inside pots, then cook. We are going to cook it. So here is the shrimp. Is already washed and clean. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to add just a small amount of pepper depending on how you eat your pepper. Then I will add some thyme, add some salt, and add some curry powder. Then stir it together. So I'm gonna stir it, mix it together. Then after mixing, we are gonna fry it. Yes guys, actually this shrimp recipe I got it from Cobb's Den channel. She make a shrimp recipe, so I just love the way she prepared the shrimps, so I decided to give it a try. So stay tuned guys. So right now my frying pan is on the fire, so I'm gonna fry these shrimps now. So I'm gonna add like a 2-3 spoons of vegetable oil to fry it, and let the oil heat up a bit. Then I start the frying. So after the oil has heated up a bit, I'm going to add the shrimp to fry. So I'm going to leave it to fry. I'm going to fry it for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how you like. If you want it crunchy or if you want it in between, depending on your choice. So you are gonna stir it gently. Just fry it to your own taste. Fry it to your own taste. You can see I love it the way it is right now. In between, so like I said, I have not tried this recipe of shrimps, like frying it this method. So guys, so now I'm gonna step this aside now. Yeah, I'm gonna step it aside. So right now we are gonna add our pots on the fire and add some vegetable oil. And I'm adding my vegetable oil. You add the quantity you want. So now after the oil must have heated up for some minutes, the oil is hot enough, so you will add your chopped onions and stir it. Leave it to fry for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes of frying it, this is how it should look. So now I'm going to add my tomato paste or tin tomato, whatever you call it. Yes. And fry. Fry the tin tomatoes for about 20 minutes. Yeah, from frying it, and don't let it burn. Sometimes it can burn if you are not careful, but even if it burns, it doesn't matter. You just keep on stirring. So after 20 minutes of frying the tomato paste, tomato paste, whatever you call it, then now I will add my cooked tomato. Yes guys, now I'm going to add my thyme, curry, and the nutmeg, and stir everything together. Yes, you stir very well. And leave it to fry for 5 to 10 minutes. At the same time, I'm going to add my Maggi seasoning from the chicken and cow brown. I mix together. If you know me, you know that is my taste of Maggi seasoning. So you stir, then you will add your water. If you have stock water, you add. I have stock water in the fridge for some. I used to keep stock water in the fridge. Maybe cow or chicken, any meat of your choice. You just add the water, the sauce, the stock water inside. So here is my stock water. I'm going to add it inside now. And taste. with seasoning and is not okay, you can add salt, Maggi, whatever of your choice you want to add. So now I'm going to add my rice inside and stir it. You must make sure the water is enough to cover the rice. Yeah. So now I'm going to cover it with a foil pepper. Sorry guys, I almost forgot my beni. Could you imagine? So now we're going to check our jollof rice. Yes guys, oh my gosh, very hot. So at this moment right now, we are going to add our shrimps. Yes. So now we are going to stir together. Oh my God. Guys, if you haven't tried this jollof rice with shrimps, guys, give it a try, and a trial will convince you. Yes guys, a trial will convince you. So I believe I have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to drop your comment at the comment section down below. See you in my next video. As of now, I'm out. Bye.
Yo.